Today we are going to discuss some important MCQs based on the digestive system. This is the part 4. I have already uploaded 3 previous parts also, so you can go through them also. So the question number 1 is pair pitches produce. Now first of all you must know that where you have studied the pair pitches. I will liking to tell you here that the pair pitches are associated with the wall of the intestine. They are associated with the wall of the intestine and they produce lymphocytes, and lymphocytes kill the harmful bacteria which have entered your intestine part. Okay, so pair pitches produce enterokinase. Enterokinase is an enzyme. Amylase, trypsin, it is an enzyme. Pair pitches produce what? Lymphocytes. Basically pair pitches are the masses of the lymphoid tissue. Fine. So pair pitches produce lymphocytes. So the question number first is having the answer D. Question number 2. The movements in the gut wall are known as. Whenever we study the alimentary canal, so we have heard about a special type of the movement, and that movements are called as contraction and the expansion movements, which are biologically called as the peristaltic movements, or in short we can call it as peristalsis. So the movements in the gut wall are known as diastole, systole, peristalsis, or none. Now you know very well diastole and the systoles are associated with the heart. Okay, and the peristalsis is associated with the movement of the gut wall. So the question number 2 is having the answer C, peristalsis. Question number 3. The number of salivary glands present in human beings. The number of the salivary glands present in human beings, 5 pairs, 4 pairs, 3 pairs, 2 pairs. You must know that the number of the salivary glands present in human being is 3 pairs. Whenever we study the salivary gland in human beings, we talk about 3 pairs of salivary glands. One is known as the sublingual salivary gland, another is known as the submaxillary salivary gland, and the third one is the parotid gland. So we can say that the number of the salivary glands present in the human beings is 3 pairs. So the question number 3 is having the answer C. Question number 4. Bile is formed in. Means the question is asked here that where the bile juice is formed. Okay, gallbladder, spleen, blood and liver. Always remember that bile juice is formed in the liver, but it is stored in the gallbladder. So what is the question here? That bile is formed in. It is not asking that it is stored in. Bile is formed in gallbladder, spleen, blood or liver. So bile is always formed in liver. So question number 4 must be having the answer D, that is liver. Question number 5. Alkaline food contents of intestine is called chyme, bolus, chyle or none. Now you know very well that digestion occurs at 3 places. First in the buccal cavity, second in the stomach, third in the intestine, particularly small intestine. The form of the food found in your buccal cavity is the bolus. The form of the food which is found in your stomach is called as the chyme, and more digested form of the food which is found in the intestine is called as the chyle. So the alkaline food contents of intestine is, so definitely it must be chyle. So the question number 5 is having the answer C, that is the chyle. Now question number 6. The toxic substances in the diet are detoxified in the human body by. The toxic substances in the diet are detoxified in the human body by. So you might have heard about that the veins, especially coming from the intestine part, okay, or I can say that coming from the different parts of the alimentary canal, consist of certain toxic substances. So before that veins open in the heart, they first open in the liver and then move towards the heart. Why? Because liver is meant for the detoxification of the substances. So the toxic substances in the diet are detoxified in the human body by, so you will answer it that the detoxification occur in the liver. So the question number 6 is having the answer D. Now question number 7, the liver stores food in the form of, it's a simple question, that the stored food material of the animals is glycogen, and glycogen is stored in liver. So the liver stores food in the form of, always the liver stores food in the form of glycogen, because we know very well that in we people the glucose is converted into glycogen and it is stored in liver. So the liver stores food in the form of glycogen. So question number 7 is having the answer B, that is the glycogen. So these were few important questions related to the digestive system, which will play an important role in the upcoming NEET exam. So keep watching. Thanks a lot.